But moving on, let's also put the spotlight on how the F&O market is shaping up today. Sharath, how is it looking?
At yesterday's trade, both Nifty and Nifty Bank saw a strong recovery after, you could say, a gap down opening. And importantly, they have sustained over important support levels. Now, the India VIX, that's been largely unchanged and not so much change happening. PCR numbers still comfortable for both Nifty and Nifty Bank as well. But for Nifty, the activity is now moving towards the short covering position. There's a slight change in the open interest in the lower side, and the most active strike price for Nifty weekly expiry, this call option includes 25,100. Call buying is happening, and at 25,000 put writing is also there. Highest open interest strike price for the Nifty weekly expiry. For put it's 25,000, and for call, of course, two numbers are coming, 26,000 as well as 25,000. Nifty Bank activity also short covering happening. The change in open interest, that has actually seen a bigger number, minus 4.5%, and the highest open interest strike price for put it's 56,000, and for call it is 57,000. Also, the FI long positioning after the previous trade, that has actually slightly gone up, not to be a big matter of cheer, but still it's on the upper side and actually falling after 8 to 9 odd session. There seems to be bottoming out. DI long positioning, that has also gone up from 68 to 69 odd percent, and the retail, that's flattish, coming in at 65 odd percent. FNO Bank to FNO ban, there are actually two banks in the space, RBL Bank and Bandhan Bank.
All right, moving on, we have ready Ravinder with stocks in news. Ravinder, over to you. Which are the stocks we should watch out?
Well, yes, PNB Housing can be in focus. Company has reported their Q1 number, and company reported PAT at 532 crore as compared to earlier PAT of 439 crore, which was up by more than 21% year-on-year basis, and company's asset quality also improved. Apart from this, Oberoi Realty can be in focus on back of their weak Q1 FY26 earning, where company's revenue was declined by approx 30% on a year-on-year basis at rupees 988 crore, and net profit also saw a decline of 28% on a yearly basis. If we talk about EBITDA and EBITDA margin, then EBITDA saw a decline of 36% year-on-year basis at 521 crore, and margins also saw a downtick of more than 500 basis point year-on-year basis. So overall, a weak set of number for Oberoi Realty. Apart from this, Titan can be in focus in today's trading session, where Titan, through its wholly owned subsidiary, Titan Holding International FZCO, has entered into a definitive agreement to acquire 67% stake in Damas LLC, the holding company of Damas Jewelry business in the Gulf Cooperation Council region, Chennai Corporation, and the transaction packed at an enterprise value of AED 1038 million, which is equivalent to $238 million. And lastly, CI Automotive is also in focus on the back of their earning, where company reported revenue at 2,369 crore with an uptick of more than 3% year-on-year basis, and a net profit saw a decline of approx 6% year-on-year basis. If we talk about EBITDA, then EBITDA also saw a downtick of 7% at rupees 336 crore, and margins saw a downtick of 150 basis point year-on-year basis. So overall, a mixed set of number of CI Automotive.